The benefits of having two names on car title are: 1. You can use the other person's insurance. One of the reasons why two people may decide to have two names on a car title is so that one person can benefit from the insurance policy of the other person because they both drive the car around. 2. They both have equal rights to the car. When two names are on the car title, it simply means they co-own the car and have equal rights to it. The benefit is that even though they both own the car, they both have the same right to the car. 3. It makes transfer of ownership easy. Another benefit of having two names on a car title is that it makes the transfer of ownership hassle-free. There will be a need for a transfer of ownership if either the spouse or relative dies. If this happens, the ownership transfer process will be seamless. 4. Good estate planning. People always ask about the legality of driving a deceased person's car. With two names of a car title, it will make it easy for the second owner to continue using the car when the other dies. Meanwhile, planning on who gets the car after either one of them passes on is made easier by having two names on a car title. There will be a smooth transition of car ownership. 5. Both parties get to fund the car. Since two names are in the car title, if the car was purchased on loan, both parties will have to fund and pay off the loan. The funding payment is not left on one person, unlike when a car title bears a single name on it. 6. They share the cost of maintaining the car. Two names on the car title mean two people own the car. Therefore, if anything were to go wrong with the car and it needs repairs or other payment requirements, both of them will share the cost depending on what their agreement says. However, unlike when you're the only one maintaining the car, if the car goes bad and you don't have the funds to fix the problem, the other owner can decide to fix the car, which will help to improve maintenance. 7. Good resale value. No one buys a car to use for the rest of his life. There will come a time when you would want to sell the car to probably purchase another one. When the time comes, having two names on a car title can boost the resale value because the buyer will believe that since they both own the car, they must have collectively cared for it. 8. No issue with the police. When pulled over, if the car is co-owned by you and your husband, you will not have any issue with the police when they pull you over because you are driving a car that has your name on it. The same goes for your husband. So, instead of driving a car in your husband's name and having to answer the police all the time, it's better to have both names on the title. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button.